I'm so in love with this piece. I can't wait to try it on for you guys. Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel and another unboxing. Girl, I've been waiting 2 weeks to open these packages with you. So let me tell you a little bit about the journey that I took to get these packages. So I'm sure you already read the title of this video, which is that I bought clothing from Harajuku off of a site called Rakuten. Now, if you are like me, you have been haunted by these really obscure commercials on TV about the website called Rakuten. They neglect to tell you what it is. All they talk about is how you can get cash back if you use their service. Cash back? I don't know what that means. But even though I did not know what Rakuten was a couple of weeks ago, when it came down to trying to find clothing by this brand that I have fallen in love with, Rakuten was the only site that carried it. But before we get to the unboxing and talking about the brand and trying on the clothing and all that good stuff, let's learn a little bit about what Rakuten actually is. So I had to do a little Google search. So it says, what is Rakuten and how does it work? The program allows users to earn Rakuten Super Points by shopping online at affiliate stores that are listed on the Rakuten website. It goes on to explain how you can use Super Points. I really don't understand it all that much, but I did notice that everything I wanted to buy told you how many Super Points you could rack up. But I purchased each one gave you like 150 points or so. So as you heard, you can earn Rakuten Super Points whenever you bought items off the website from affiliate brands. So when you go onto the Rakuten store, you'll see like Walmart, you'll see Macy's, Groupon, and a few other little kind of sites. So apparently you can even buy from Amazon off of Rakuten and get points. However, I did not place a purchase on the English/American Rakuten website. I actually purchased off of the Japanese Rakuten website, which my understanding is it originated in East Asia. I will write here if I'm correct. That was just my assumption. So as you can see, the two sites look pretty different. One makes it very clear that you're buying items from pre-existing brands that you know and trust, while the Japanese one really just looks like an online store like an Amazon or a Walmart. So why in the world did I shop off of Rakuten if the websites did not catch my attention and I didn't really understand what the site was? So if you follow me on my main channel, My Manga Life, then you might have watched my videos where I overcame my fear of planes and went on a 14-hour plane ride to Tokyo. When I went to Japan, girl, one of the first places I went to was, of course, Harajuku. I obviously went there for all the fashion, girl. Oh, and I fell in love with a lot of brands that I will be introducing you to on this channel very soon. One of which was Travis Tokyo. Oh, girl, oh, Travis Tokyo. They had so much freaking cool stuff. Unfortunately, because of the lack of space in my suitcase, I was only able to get one item from them. This gorgeous, fluffy, purple coat. Tell me that isn't one of the most comfortable things you've ever seen. But I went home really wanting more by this brand. I immediately went onto Instagram and I followed them on there, and it got to a point where I was like, they're coming out with new super cute stuff, like even cuter than what I saw when I was in Tokyo, girl. Ooh! So what did I end up doing? Went to see if they had a link in their bio to go to the store and give them my money. And I was like, where's your link in your bio? They don't seem to have a website. I don't know why. I googled it, I didn't find one. Maybe you're smarter than me and you can use Google better, but I didn't find one, and they did not have a freaking link in their bio leading to one. So I did a Google search, and the only place that sold their clothing was, you guessed it, Rakuten. So that's what I did. I bought from Rakuten. Originally, I came for a very specific fuzzy teddy bear coat by Travis Tokyo, but then I heard her browsing the gallery and I was like, ooh, that coat, I'm coming for 2 other items. The first thing to catch my attention was their furry bear half zip high neck parka. Ooh, that's a mouthful. It's oversized, it's a hoodie, it's beautiful, it's got a teddy bear, it's also a little dark in its own way, and it came in 4 versions. However, the only one that was still available was the pink one. And I was like, okay, I'm okay with that, but now I'm scared. So I felt like I had to purchase it before it like sold out. And I don't know too much about this brand, so I don't know if they're the type of brand that once something sold out, it's gone forever. Like, I've shopped from places like that. It makes me very mad. Black milk is like that. Ugh, it gets me so mad. Anyway, it comes in one size. It's meant to fit really, really oversized and long, but I could imagine if you're really busty or you're a thick girl like me, oversized things don't always look oversized on you. So if you're thick with 3 C's, this might not fit you super oversized, but ding, added her to cart anyway. It just had so many cool details on it. I just freaking loved it. The second item I fell in love with was their Cruel Angel Shoulder Frill Po. I don't know what a po is, but I'm gonna assume it's Spanish for por ti. Anyway, can someone please tell me what on earth the po is? Also, it says comes in 2 colors, but there's obviously 3 in the picture. That's okay. I'm not gonna hold that against anybody. Mistakes happen. We're all human. So looking at this one, I thought all 3 of them were super adorable, but the white one, I felt like the frill kind of got lost in it, you know what I mean? The black one I thought was super cute. It's like a cute little goth outfit, at least to me. If you know my fashion taste, you know I come in 2 colors. I come in black and rainbow. So on my days where I'm feeling all black, I would have worn the black one, and on days where I'm feeling that rainbow, I wear the pink one. But I was like, I can't go crazy. I can't. The clothing is not super inexpensive, especially the pieces I was looking at, so we could only pick one more. So I chose the pink one. I thought it was so cute with the frill and the oversized fit. It was just adorable. I added them to cart and I checked out real easy. And they offered a whole bunch of points for purchasing those 2 items. Now all that was left to do was wait patiently. Now I did not choose any type of special shipping. Now Rakuten kind of makes it clear on their site that if something goes wrong with your order, they are not liable. You gotta go straight to the seller and fix it and figure it out with the seller. So that in itself made me a little nervous. Amazon and eBay, they're like on your side, and you're not fighting like the battle alone if your order gets lost or the item doesn't look like what you hoped it would look like. So I was a little nervous, but I got my email confirming that my purchase went through and all that good stuff. And then keep this in mind, I think because this was an overseas seller and they're going to be shipping to America, they sent me an email for each item asking, was this the item that you purchased? Please tell us that this was the right item so that we can process your payment. So they don't take the money out until you respond to those emails. So be sure to check your emails for that email. That payment confirmation email thingy thing came roughly 3 days after I placed the order. And that email lets you know that once you agree to that, they'll pack your order and ship it out, and that you'll receive a tracking number. Now, here's another thing. For whatever reason, on Rakuten, the tracking information never updated. All it said was either item processing or the packages are getting prepared to ship or whatever. It never updated with the tracking info. I got tracking info directly from the seller through email. Now, I don't know if that's the fault of the seller not updating the website or if it's simply the website just being lazy and not wanting to give me any info. Only the Lord knows, because I don't. But the items came really quickly, and when I asked Travis Tokyo for a little update just in case, they were like, don't worry, your items should arrive within 1 week. And they were right, because the items got here in 5 to 6 days, including the weekends. I was shook. I was so excited that I did not have to wait that long for my goodies. Now, one item came in a box while the other came in a bag. And I'm going to assume that has to do with one being fluffier than the other. So based off of the tracking info and which one came first, this one is the fluffy teddy bear hoodie and this one is the cruel angel frill shoulder po. I don't know what that means, but I want to open the cruel angel one first. Even though that was the second one I fell in love with, we're gonna open her first. Also, before I open it, just wanted to say Travis Tokyo has fantastic customer service, super nice. They got back to me within 24 hours both times that I emailed them. Chef's kiss. Oh, so excited right now. Do a little snippy snip snip. Oh my god, you got a little peek of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I am so freaking excited right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, she a wide girl. And the printing looks so nice. Oh my gosh, I am freaking in love right now. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness. The material is so freaking nice. So good. So thick. The inside is this like nice comfortable toweling material. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the frill. I am so freaking hyped for this frill. Oh my gosh, I love it. And the lace is 2 layers, so it's nice and fluffy and beautiful and gives it more of an opaque look. It's very soft, so it's more floppy. It's not stiff like tulle, which I really appreciate. I was hoping it wasn't tulle. Oh my gosh, look at that darling little angel. She's not cruel at all. She's looking very sweet to me. A life lived in love will never be dull. There is nothing cruel about that. That's so sweet and also so true. Oh, look at the printing on her. Oh, so beautiful. Let's try her on. I'm coming for you, little beach. I love you. Oh, she's absolutely freaking perfect. I'm so in love with this piece. I can't wait to try it on for you guys. Just look at the beauty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Cannot freaking wait. Next up, we open in the box, beach. Oh, so I had to take off the tape and whatnot because I had all my personal information on it, but that's okay. I haven't actually looked inside yet. Oh my gosh. Let's look at it together. Oh my gosh. There she is. There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. She a thick woman. She a thick girl. Oh my gosh. So just like the Cruel Angel, it's just straight up generic plastic, which I really don't mind. For me, it's all about the quality. I do like a fancy packaging because I'm a bougie beach, but who cares about packaging if the quality is no good, right? Oh my god, that's beautiful. The printing is so vibrant. The colors are so beautiful. I don't know if it's screen printed or digitally printed. Judging off of this, I think it's digitally printed. Beautiful. Oh yes. So, oh my god. The quality of the hoodie is super soft. Oh my gosh. The quality. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. We gotta try these on. So here's the first one. I don't think it has like bat wings per se, but it's really like drapey, super comfortable. It has pockets, beach. Oh dear. So like I said before, I'm a curvy girl, so here it is from the side, front. Look at that printing. It's really long. Like it's super long, super comfy. The material feels so good and it reaches like all the way to here. So it's literally just like a few inches away from my knee. And last but not least, the Cruel Angel frill shoulder po. Very wide. Oh, she a wide girl. She also got pockets, beach. for all your cruel angel necessities. Also, very long, all the way down my thigh, literally about to hit my knee. They're just so beautiful long. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. So sorry about that. More side. I am so pleased with these, and also these little frillies. It's just all these little details make it so cute and fun to wear. I am so freaking happy. But in all honesty, so sorry about that close-up on my bottom. Hoodies, clothing of all kinds, they always fit me super tight. I'm a tushy, so sorry about that. Nobody had to see that. Let's just continue the video. So I wanted to show you guys the fluffy Travis Tokyo coat that I got when I went to Tokyo. Tell me this isn't the most amazing fluffy beauty you have ever freaking seen. It says Travis right on the back. Oh girl, I love this coat. Literally the warmest winter coat I have ever worn. Warmer than a down jacket, warmer than all that other bajizz. I invented a new word. Oh girl, look at that. I love it. It's just so fun. It goes a little past your hips or sits directly on your hips. Honestly, such a fun and warm coat. And I love to wear it with these mittens I got from Target. From the kids section, of course, because they don't make cute mittens like this for us grown-ups. They don't make this for anybody over the age of 7, okay? But your girl fits. Honestly, I think it goes... That was my dog shaking. Hi. Want to say hello to the people? Oh. I'll put you on the couch, honey. There you go. So yeah, Travis Tokyo Beach. I love it. Tell me, what do you think of these clothes in the comments? I got more to say, but you know, I don't want to know your opinions. Travis Tokyo, take my money. Also, make these for adults, Target. Needless to say, I am so incredibly happy with my purchases. I don't understand why Travis Tokyo does not have their own website, but I'm so happy that websites like Rakuten exist so that people like me have a chance to own things like this without having to go overseas again to buy all these goodies. I know a lot of you watching are very familiar with websites where you can order things from Japan and people in Japan could buy the things for you and send them to you for a fee. So if something costs $50, you end up paying like $110 for something. All because you're paying for the convenience of somebody who lives in the country buying it for you. So that's part of the beauty of ordering from Travis Tokyo off of Rakuten versus one of those like shopping services, is that you do not pay any kind of special fee. You're just buying directly from the actual merchant, the creator of the merchandise. So it's closer to buying from Amazon than it is from one of those weirdo services. This was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let me know if there are any brands or websites that you'd like me to try out, such as Wish or Runway or any good stuff like that. Thank you so much to my patrons on Patreon for supporting this channel and my main channel. You guys mean so much to me. Thank you so much to my YouTube baby of the video for this beautiful fan art they made of me. And thank you to all of you who have supported my first ever how to draw manga book. It is available right now in my shop. Link is down there in the description box below. Thank you so much for all of your loving support. I do not have words to thank you guys. Oh my god. So until next time guys, do what you want, wear what you want, love what you wear. Take care guys.